We're getting off the ship today in Nassau, Bahamas. The Ovation of the Seas is parked next to us. Here in Nassau, there's a couple beaches close by, sort of close by. One is Junkanoo Beach, and it's to the right as we come out of the port. And you can walk to it in about 20 minutes, which is what we're going to do. And maybe we're going to do some shopping in a little while too. The other one is Cabbage Beach, and what you have to do is either get a cab for $4 a person to take you over there, and then another $4 to bring you back, or the ferry boat, which is $3 a person. I don't know if that's a round trip or each way, or you could walk over that bridge, or a bridge, but that's about an hour. Cabbage Beach is a nice long stretch of beach right next to Atlantis. So we're going to try to walk to Junkanoo Beach and then do some shopping. More later. So there's the ships. We hit a Bay Street, I guess. I don't know. They're doing construction in here, so we're going to go this way. This isn't the way it used to be. We used to walk over there. We're tearing down a building there too. So we're going to go off this way. Follow the herd for a little bit. See what happens. What a beautiful ship. And there, pretty simple. Can't go any further this way, so we're going to go this way. There is a lot of shopping opportunities just right in here. Don't go this way? Okay. Oh, you're blocking the arrow. This is the first road we come to. I think Junkanoo is not straight down there, but it's down and around. Lots of people around here. This way to Port Marketplace. So maybe that's the shopping we're going to do. This is where we get back on. Right in this opening. Sign there that lists a bunch of shops and stores. Up in there. Prince George Plaza. Luxury shopping. But we're going to go on across. So as you can see, the drawbridge is up. This is Senior Frogs. They don't seem to be open, but this is where we're going to make a left. Seems to be a pretty busy road with a lot of shops on it. Bay Street. We are on, it says it's Navy Lion. Anyway, we're going to wrap around here. This street says it's Marlborough Street. Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know if I've ever been in one actually. McDonald's. And it could be the Hilton Hotel. I mean, who knows, right? But it says British Colonial Hilton on the front. And here's the Margarita Hotel, at least signs for it, to Junkanoo Beach. Well, that helps out. Hilton that way. Fins Up Water Park. Oh, there's Margaritaville. Margaritaville Beach Resort, The Point. So that's one particular harbor. Get it? Margaritaville Beach Resort. But we're going to cross right here at this little intersection. See, Junkanoo Beach this way. And if you can see where the palm trees are down there, that's the beach. So we're almost there. 3 beers and 3 shots are 15 bucks. 4 for 24. Junkanoo Beach. Long Wharf. So as you can see, all along the beach are people selling drinks and whatnot. Renting stuff.
We should go through right here.
Janet says we should go right through here. Okay. It's a fairly long strip of sand. See, it goes all the way down there. Wraps around. Maybe it's broken up a little bit. But that's it. Junkanoo Beach. Supposedly all beaches in the Bahamas are public. Access could be a problem sometimes. Of course, you probably already noticed the ship is right there, so we just came around and followed the streets down. Walk down a little bit. There's a lighthouse. Fewer people here, fewer chairs, a little bit of shade. Some people wondering what to do. Some pigeons knowing what to do. Anyway, well, let's walk into Junkanoo Beach. We decided to go in the water. See how cold it is. It's a little colder than Half Moon Cay was. It's about 3.5, 4 feet deep. And as you can see, there's only a few other people on the beach. Now over there where the umbrellas and chairs were, they offered to rent us 2 chairs and 1 umbrella for $20. It started at $40, I think, and then everything went down and down and down as we walked away, so keep that in mind. Been here a while. We're gonna head back into town, back towards the ship, but we're gonna veer off and do a little bit of shopping, so I'll show you how to do that too. So here's a sign for it. You can read it. We went down to Junkanoo Beach from the ship. And this is the way back to the ship, right along. If we went right up there, that's Senior Frogs again. Or that's Senior Frogs. See it? But we're gonna do some shopping now. Now we're gonna go into this store called Salty Dog Souvenirs. Howdy. Let me go back this way. All shades, $9.95. We went in Salty Dog Souvenirs. There's a lot of places. Some of these are like malls and you can go in and there's more stores. Not that one. Your famous Caribbean shops like Little Switzerland and Diamonds International are here. Came down from there. Salty Dog's down there. Diamonds International. There's a Tanzanite International. There's a t-shirt factory outlet here where we were on, right past Joann's. And this is like a little alleyway of shops and restaurants, liquor stores, and people. Lots of people. So on the other end, and of course this is where we get back on the ship. So we're back to the ship now. Here's another aisle. Alleyway full of shops and restaurants. Not quite as busy or as noisy. Whatever you feel like. You start. Well, that's walking to Junkanoo Beach. So this is Gareth from Port Monkeys and
Janet saying Port Monkeys out.
See you in the next port. Bye.